All right, kindergarten class, we are on chapter 3 today, and we are going to teach how to do new numbers. We're going to do 13 and 14 today. So let's go ahead and it's on your page. It says page 185, and we're going to watch a video first. Let's watch. Okay, I can't believe it. We're really getting up here with the numbers. Now we are on our lesson of numbers 13 and 14. Okay, I'm not sure if that one went or not, so I'm going to do that again. And it says, our essential question is, how can I show numbers beyond 10? All right, we are at the top of page 185. And this looks like we are going to be using some of my tools today. We're going to use some dots. So we're going to trace the number over on the side. And our first number here that we're going to trace is the number 13 is what we're focusing on. So in order to make 13, first we make the 1. 1 is fun. Oops. Oh, my one's a little bit hard. I still have my cast on my hand, so I can't use my left hand very well. All right, and so then the 3 is around a tree, around a tree. That's the way to make a 3. Now we're going to talk about what that looks like, and we're going to use some tools. So when we use Ms. Allen's dots here, I'm going to build some dots to show the number 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, so this is a really cool thing to see that we have one whole group of 10, that's here on top, and then we have 3 extra ones, which when we read this, it says one group of 10 and 3 extra ones. Okay, boys and girls, that's your number for today, and you can go ahead and make counters on your page to show the number 13. Okay, we're at the top now of your See and Show page, which is on page 186, and here we are. We're going to talk about the numbers 13 and the number 14 today. So first of all, they're showing us 10 right here. We see a group of 10 mugs plus 3 extras, so that one is 13. So go ahead and get out your writing tool, and we're going to write 13 3 times. Okay. Okay, so now on number 2, we have some bowls. We have one big group of 10. We can see that all in the 10 frame. 11, 12, 13, 14 bowls. So get out your writing tool, and we're going to go ahead and write the number 14. So we can clearly see that 14 is one group of 10, and it's made of 4 extra ones. One group of 10, 4 extra ones, and one more time, one group of 10, 4 extra ones. All right. Okay, at the bottom of your page, we have a group of 10 mugs plus 3 more. So which one do you think that is? Is that 13 or is that 14? All right, if you said 13, you are right. So we're going to use our writing tool, and we're going to write the number 13. So all by yourself, put a 1 down, and then followed by a 3. Basically, that means 10 plus 3, which is 13. And we're going to do that 3 times. You got it. All right, we are ready. Whoa, Miss Allen got crazy on the last 3. All right, we are ready to go to your next page, which is your on your own page. All right, the directions for this page, which is on your own, is count the objects, say how many, use your counters, or you can, when they're the blank ones, you can use counters to show it, or you can draw after you use the counters. And then we're going to trace the number 3 times and draw circles to show how many counters you have. So for number 4, you're going to count and find out what number to write. Number 5, and I'll show you that one next. Okay, for number 5, they want you to build this. So you can use counters to build, or you can just start drawing your circles to build the number. And what number are we building? We're building 14, and then you're going to trace that number. And finally, number 6 on this page, you're going to make counters or draw circles to show 13, and then write the number 13. Okay, we are on problem solving now, and here is our problem. It says for number 7, we're going to count the objects, say how many, draw more to make 13. All right, so we can basically just use I'm going to use my writing tool to draw more objects to show our number 13. I'll use this line right here. All right, so let's count. 1, and I like to put a little mark on it. 2, 3, 4, and now we're going to keep counting, and I'm going to make 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, we're done with that problem. All right, this one says count the objects and then say how many, draw more to make 14. All right, well, I'm going to tell you a trick here, boys and girls, that I learned, that when you see this whole 10 frame filled in, that every single square is taken, well, we already know that that means it's 10. So you don't have to count it unless you really, really want to count it. All right, I'm going to get out my writing tool, and we're going to count on from 10 with Miss Allen. So we know this is 10, and we're going to go to 14. So 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, boys and girls, we are done with your math for today. Great job. Thanks for joining me.